folks, Jason here from the Trust. Hey, I'm just hanging out on the swings today. And if you're like me, when you were a kid, the swings were the place to be. This was where the fun was. Now, contrary to popular belief, the Trust doesn't hate swings. We don't want you to get rid of your swings. We simply want you to make sure those swings are safe. And we want to make sure that people that are using these swings can do so in a manner that is safe and provides them the most enjoyment without having any of the pain that can go along with it. And in today's video, we're going to talk to you about things that you need to do right now in the early spring to make sure those swings are safe for everybody that uses them. You need to be doing a detailed inspection at least once per year of your playground equipment to ensure it meets all the standards and it's in good, safe condition. After that, we do regular checks to make sure that everything is staying good. So how often do I need to inspect my swings and my playground equipment in general? Well, it depends on how much it gets used. During the summer high use time, you ought to be inspecting that at least once per week, and you can have your lawnmowers do that job.
Every playground inspection should be documented to show that you've been reasonable and prudent in your efforts. The Trust can provide a great checklist to document your inspections. Keep a file of all inspection checklists and playground maintenance. Proper fall attenuating material can prevent serious injuries from falls. At least 1 foot of good quality material should cover the entire use zone, which is 6 feet on the sides of the swings and double the height of the top rail in the direction of travel.
Unfortunately, a lot of swings around the state look like this now. The fall material's worn. It's been worked all winter long, and the wood chips have been pushed out of the way. Right now is a great time to come in and add additional wood chips there. And then every week as you're doing your checks, those need to be raked in. And in those parks where we have a lot of use, it may be a lot more often than weekly. Our inspections involve more than just walking around our swings. We need to actually get up on a ladder, safely of course, and check out this pivot point. This is the action part. This is the go point of the swing, and this is where the wear can occur and where we can have failures. So get up here, check this pivot point, ensure that it hasn't worn beyond what's appropriate. Check all of this hardware to make sure that it's firmly secured and hasn't backed out. So when you're up here checking this pivot point, also take a second to check for wear on your hardware and check that out. There's significant wear on this chain. It's time to be replaced. If you don't get up here, you may not see that. So how are your S-hooks? Well, S-hooks are the attachment point to the swing seat. And I shouldn't be able to see a big gap like that. There should be less than 1 millimeter, or you shouldn't be able to slide a dime in between those openings. Also on this one, you'll see it's not in line. Make sure those are in alignment. So close them up tight and make sure they're in line. Hey folks, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you've learned a couple of things about how to make your swings safer. And I just want to challenge you today to go out and check those swings, make sure that we've got them in good shape so our kids can have a safe summer swinging.